Hello, it's Ollie here at the Crafty Whisk, and I'm so grateful that you could join me today. Okay, so today we have day 2 of the Uniquely Creative Advent Kit. Let's see what this one is. We have an ephemera pack, which is from the Daydream range, which will coordinate nicely with the papers that was in day 1. So we've got lots of bits and pieces in here. We've got a lot of sentiments, some larger ones, some smaller ones, florals, butterflies. Let's have a quick look. I won't take everything out because it'll take me forever to put back in. Although I do see some, oops, a daisy. Oh yes, we've got some lovely birds. So that's really pretty. Fantastic for journals, scrapbook pages, cards, anything paper. Oops, some lovely little butterflies. They're good on tags as well. And they've got some nice sort of like banner sentiments, florals. So very, very pretty. So that is day 2. Join me tomorrow for day 3. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it when I bring out a new video.